The first Benelli Imperiale have done 1020 kilometers in one stretch. Do this. Oh, it's 1020 kilometers.
Head west, then turn right.
Okay, so it's like gonna be.
This route avoids road closures on National Highway 48. You are on the fastest.
मेरा office road का.
Okay.
जो.
The phone on the mounting here.
Power bank है. Charger.
I have a charging point over there. Huh?
Charging point.
Charging point. I will do now. Let's do a cold start. Alright.
Okay.
Chal wo.
Okay.
Thank you for your hospitality.
Welcome.
And we'll meet you soon.
Mumbai 2 months, 3 months I will come.
Yeah, when you come Mumbai, just let me know.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Yes. Chal, bye. Alright guys, it's just 1,000 kilometers to Mumbai and we are rolling on the highway. I just made the trip zero. No, wait. I just made the trip zero so that 1,000 kilometers can be seen from here. Ready? So I have just covered it around 20 kilometers from the Bangalore city and I have started the highway trip, the actual highway trip now. And now let's roll. This is Navayug Bangalore tollway, the first toll plaza, not petrol, the first toll plaza after I left Bangalore city. Alright guys, good morning. I have just stepped out from Bangalore. It's around 100 kilometers or so, and this is the second or the third toll. I'm not sure, but it's भाई टोल का नाम क्या है? तुमकुर. Alright. It's a Tumkur toll, and let's see. I will have a coffee and proceed forward. So we are at what's this name? Chelargiri Toll Plaza, Karnataka. I guess still I'm in Karnataka. So far I have covered it around 300 kilometers so far from Bangalore, and so far there is no sign of lack in power of in the engine of this motorcycle. Okay, Bankapur Toll Plaza. So I'm just crossing Bankapur Toll Plaza, and I am hungry now. I'm supposed to eat my breakfast, but the breakfast was like, the roads were like so good, I did not stop, and it was rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling. I am waiting for my scrambled egg, and make sure when you are doing such kind of a big journey, you are not supposed to eat more. So I have given a single egg, scrambled egg, and I'm going to eat this and continue forward towards Mumbai. Until now I have covered it around 400 kilometers from Bangalore, and Bangalore highway is awesome. Reached Belgaum, and it's more than 500 kilometers left from Mumbai. Without wasting time, let's go again. Alright, so I reached Belgaum, and it's 500 kilometers more to go. Approx 9 hours 32 minutes for Mumbai. So well, we are just crossing Hattargi Toll Plaza, and I really don't know, this is in Karnataka and Maharashtra. No, this is again in Karnataka only. So on the Ghat section is also 6-lane roads here. This is the Ghat section. I guess this is called Nipani. If I'm not wrong, please correct me. And this can be the border of Karnataka and Maharashtra. Soon I'll be entering Maharashtra, and maybe less than 400 kilometers will be left. No, not less than 400. Less than 450 kilometers will be left then. So everywhere there is go slow symbol. We have reached Connolly Toll Plaza. महाराष्ट्र राज्य आपल्या स्वागत करता है. Yes, I have entered Maharashtra. Woohoo! Near Kolhapur. Right behind there, it's green board which you see over there. It's Kinney's Toll Plaza, which is in Kolhapur. You keep yourself hydrated so that you travel good. And I forgot to mention, so like it's only 372 kilometers to go, and according to this, from 1020 minus 372, Around 650 kilometers I have driven so far from morning from Bangalore. And let's proceed. Next is gonna be Pune, Satara, then Pune, then Lonavala, Navi Mumbai and Mumbai. First reach Satara. So before sunset I have to cross Pune, and afterwards I know all the routes from there. Now the weather is getting so pleasant, man, and it's really cool over here. Like I guess on my left hand side is Mahabaleshwar, like a few kilometers, maybe 100 or 120 or somewhere. It's a hill station of Maharashtra and most visited place in Maharashtra. Oh man, it's raining in Kolhapur. Should I wait or should I go? Should I wait or should I go?
Sometimes you need to do business for locals also. So I brought these raisins from him. So well, it's a 5-hour more drive, 240 kilometers to go for Mumbai. And how can I miss this beautiful sunset from Pune? Not exactly Pune, it's just 15 to 20 kilometers out. I can say it's just outskirts of Pune. I'll be reaching in another 15-20 minutes in Pune. And before I miss this beautiful view, I should take a halt over here.
So this was the first tunnel in the entire Kanyakumari ride. I just came out from it. Man, what experience! I experienced all the terrain except some off-roading. No, I have done off-roading also separately. This is the second tunnel, new Natraj tunnel, and the ride. Superb, man. Oh, it's so cold out here, and it was cold inside too. Full करना है. हाँ. Card. It's 97 in Pune. This was the last fuel refuel time, and it's just 150 kilometers for Mumbai. And let's see how much time it will take, because it's a peak hour going on right now in Pune. This is Pune city basically, and it shows 3 hours more from Pune to Mumbai to my house location. So I have reached, I am 100% sure that I have reached Lonavala, which is the hill station of Maharashtra. I am in and very close by to Mumbai city. It's approx 100 kilometers from the city and 107 kilometers from my house. So yes, it's cold out here. It's not humid. It's okay cold, and from here if we take left, you will go to an amazing places like the Tiger Point, the Table Point, and the shops you can see like on my right and the left. Those are like for you can buy some chickies, you can buy some dry dates, dry food, and many stuffs. And Mumbai's bikers point also is known as over here Lonavala. And yes, another 107 kilometers to go, and I would say this Imperiale, the Benelli Imperiale, the first Benelli Imperiale to witness 1020 kilometers in a single day. And yes guys, I have made it to Bandra, and I must tell you, I have finished exactly 999, which is 1000 kilometers, and 20 kilometers after when I started. So it is total 1120 kilometers, and also faster than Google Auntie. I am 1 hour faster than Google Auntie. It was showing 18 hours of riding, and I have done within 17 hours. The first Benelli Imperiale have done 1020 kilometers in one stretch.